Guys, in today's video, we're gonna make an incredible classic blackened chicken recipe. These chicken breasts are gonna go on our cast iron skillet and then to the oven for the ultra juicy and delicious chicken breast. Hey, I'm Laura and welcome to this channel. If you're new here, I've been cooking up family-friendly recipes for quite a while, and today's blackened chicken is one of those. We're gonna start by pat drying our chicken breasts. Why? Because we want the seasoning to stick right into our meat, and you wanna do that on both sides as well. I'm using this blackened seasoning that I'm gonna share with you next week, so make sure to hit that red subscribe button, and I'm gonna generously season both sides of my chicken breast. Today I'm using a cast iron pan because it is a classic method. It's heating up. You want it nice and hot before we melt our butter. However, you can use any oven safe pan for this. So now that my pan is hot, I'm going to add the butter to it until it melts. And I'm gonna place my chicken breast directly in this heated pan. One quick tip is to place your chicken breast on the pan where you wanna cook it, because we wanna leave it alone and cook it undisturbed for about 4 minutes per side. In about 4 minutes or so, I'm gonna take my fork and flip those chicken breasts over so they can get nicely seared on the other side. Guys, these are looking amazing, but before I bring it into the oven to finish off and trap those juices, I'm gonna take some lemon and squeeze it right over the top so they have extra flavor. It brightens up the taste. I know you're gonna love them. All right, these are ready to the oven. Let's go. Transfer it in my oven, which has been preheating this whole time, so it's ready to finish cooking and trap those juices in my chicken breasts. The chicken breasts are perfectly cooked, so juicy, and they have that blackened crust on the outside. I'm gonna show you how juicy they are. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you like recipes like this. Grab the recipe to these blackened chicken breasts and all the seasoning and everything else right below the video. See you guys next time.